Let's get you other updates now coming in, and this is news coming in from down south where a 14-year-old burnt body of a girl was found near a bush at Somarasanpete in Trichy. In fact, the girl's family from Athavuru and other villages held a rail roco at this point. In fact, the cops secured the body and have transported it to a hospital for the autopsy to be conducted. In fact, the area has now been cordoned off for the investigation. The initial information states that the girl had left home to throw trash, but she never returned after that. Now, soon after she left her home at around 1 p.m., she did not return. Her family there frantically tried to look for her. They began their search. They found the body a kilometer away from home near a bush. The teenager's death has raised several concerns about the safety of children once again in that area. Now, remember, on June 30th, a 7-year-old girl went missing near the Arantangi, only to be found raped and murdered in 3 days later.
இல்லை இது யூஸ்வலாக இந்த நேச்சர் காலுக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இந்த இடம்லாம் வந்து நேச்சரோட உபாதைகளுக்கு நம்ம வர இடம், யூஸ்வலாக வர இடம். பட் இருப்பினும் ஏன் என்ன நடந்ததுன்றது நம்ம இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷனில் தான் தெரியும். இல்லைங்க, அவங்க இது வந்து 12 காலுக்கு அந்த பொண்ணு வீட்டை விட்டு போயிருக்குது. அதுக்கப்புறமா கிட்டத்தட்ட காணோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப நேரமாக தேடி இருக்காங்க போல இருக்குது. நம்ம நோட்டீஸ்க்கு வந்தது அரௌண்ட் 4 o'clock 5 o'clock மேலே தான், 5 to 5:30 மேலே தான் நமக்கு தகவல். இப்போ ஏன் சஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுத்து நம்ம இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷன் பண்ணினாங்க. போலீஸில் வந்து இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷன் பண்ண பிறகு உறுதி செய்த பிறகு நான் தகவல் சொல்லுவேன்.
இந்த சோமரசம்பேட்டையில் இப்போ நடந்த இந்த ஒரு சம்பவத்தில் நம்ம வந்து நேற்று நைட்டிலேருந்து நம்ம எல்லாம் சீனியர் ஆஃபீஸர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரு 11 டீம் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி ஏடிஎஸ்பிஸு டிஎஸ்பிஸு இன்ஸ்பெக்டர்ஸ் இவங்கெல்லாம் ஒரு டீம் வந்து ஒரு விஷயத்தை எல்லாம் பார்த்து எல்லாம் என்ன உண்மைன்னு சொல்லி கண்டறியணும்னு சொல்லி பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கோம். பட் சில க்ளூஸ் எல்லாம் நமக்கு கிடச்சிருக்கும். அது என்னான்னு சொல்லி நமக்கு அந்த போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் எல்லாம் இப்போ பண்ணுறோம். டீம் ஆஃப் டாக்டர்ஸு போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் பண்ணுவாங்க. போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து என்ன அதில் முடிவு வருது.
Let me go across to my colleague Pramod, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Pramod, this is perhaps the second such brutal assault that has taken place in perhaps a matter of a week. In this particular case, what is the information that the police have revealed so far? What are the leads that they have found at this point?
Well, it's absolutely horrific that such an incident has once again occurred in the state of Tamil Nadu, and that too within a span of 7 days. Just like you mentioned, on 30th June, a 7-year-old girl went missing, only to be found the very next day, raped and murdered. And similarly, one other girl has gone missing around 1 p.m. from her home yesterday, and within 3-4 hours, only the parents were able to only find out a charred body, and it was completely horrific because the thing is that initial reports claim that the body of this 14-year-old girl was found almost a kilometer away from her place of stay, and the senior officials have confirmed that that location was being used as an open defecation spot. And even the police are completely baffled as to what exactly has happened, because there have been several clues that have been acquired from that area, and people who actually found the body, that is relatives and neighbors, have stated that they didn't find any other place. It doesn't look like the location where the girl's body was burnt, because the ground or the grass around the area was not completely not burnt at all. There was no carbon deposit anywhere, and these are also been collected by the officials, and the body was immediately taken to a hospital. As we speak, an autopsy is also being conducted. Now the IG Jairam has said that 11-member team has been constituted, and they are waiting for the postmortem report. And 2 people are under question currently, and police officials claim that soon the culprits will be arrested.
All right, Pramod, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates.